Now I do, I think.
Hey, pre-start stuff, huh?
Racer's ready.
All right. Nothing like a little Slim Whitman music to get you going in the morning.
5 miles straight up. We're gonna start drafting already. Here goes Lance. Ah. "22. Whoa! Ah! Yeah. Whoa! Ah! Yeah. Dang.
Camera on?
I think so.
That's enthusiasm.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, it was easy.
you're cooking.
It wasn't easy to pick up speed and up this incline.
That was really hard.
I mean, toward the end, going down the ditch.
I think I got my crash on camera. How long did it take?
37.52.
That was pretty good.
Pretty good.
Really good.
Average 7. You know.
37 minutes.
2 seconds.
Average 7.7 miles an hour.
Pretty good.
Not bad. Let's go inside and watch that play a second. Can you reach?
Watch when we get home though. Give me a high five.
They got
'Those are pretty steep. "26. 30. 31. Still no sign of Hannah. They're cooking. Oh. Man, those are steep. Actually, that's not John. Okay, I think they went down the wrong way. That's Anna. I'm surprised. You guys were going fast then.
Every time I got to 30, I'd slam on my brakes.
Well, I was going 30 only a couple times.
You were holding a brake more than I did. I was like, you hear me go.
I didn't catch you guys.
You going fast?
I don't know.
I was cooking.
It would have been fun if we were all in the line. We'll have to do that again.